Welcome to the Mooncoin, guys. So today we brought you an update, and actually this is not a single coin update. This regarding the overall market, right? So today Prabhupada is with me despite of land, so he will support me, and we all will talk, right?
Yes.
We'll talk about the cryptocurrency market, and most of the people have asked me about what would happen in the current market, and so today is the day that we are going to elaborate our ideas and what we think about the market, overall market, not only about Bitcoin but also about the other market as well, like S&P 500. Yeah, of course, because the impact of S&P 500 is very high when we are compared to Bitcoin market, right? So guys, stay tuned. We'll jump into the charts. First I'll ask about the market from Prabhudas from his perspective, so we can then I will explain my perspective as well, so you guys then can take a idea about the market. Then we'll dive into the charts. Okay, so Professor, what do you think right now about the cryptocurrency market, and what are your price predictions? What is your price targets, especially for Bitcoin?
Before telling about my Bitcoin targets, I would like to tell them about the S&P 500 my perspective. Because you know the guys that S&P 500 and Bitcoin is possibly correlated.
Yeah,
it's possibly correlated. So what I believe is S&P 500 could get a correction. Go to the charts.
Of course.
Let's go to the S&P 500. Okay guys, I am in S&P 500 index in monthly candles. So I can see a good progressive channel, a bullish channel. Right now I'm believing that we are in a little bit of overbought
condition
scenario. So I believe it still can go up. You can see it still can go up.
Yeah,
but can be a correction. So there are two types of scenarios for me. It can be a simple correction. If it is a simple correction, it will be to here. See?
Yeah, it will go.
There are few points.
Point of context.
So
yeah,
I believe it can come to this correction. But if it goes more deep, it can go to more extreme levels. See, more extreme.
Like
levels.
this, right?
Yeah, like this. Support.
Yeah.
So if S&P 500 aggressively going for a correction, it will be a negative impact for the Bitcoin
too. Yeah.
So because most of the time I told you that it can be a positive correlated. If it is drop, the Bitcoin can also drop.
Yeah. Continue, sir.
Therefore, I have a few prediction about Bitcoin.
Yes. Wait. No, I have seen this kind of scenarios before as well in S&P 500 producer. We are in monthly candles, right? Yeah, when it is going up, this kind of deep corrections will occur, and then again the market will continue pumping, right? See, here as well, we are like going higher and higher. Then even that this is also kind of a channel. Okay, so this has it was broken right here, and it has broken towards upside. No any continuation like this. This is another level. Okay, so anything could happen, guys. Even this could, this can break above and go parabolic. Who knows? Okay, like this. But the Prabhupada is trying to tell you guys this: the chances are low for happening this kind of a scenario. It is more likely to go towards downside. That is what we are talking, guys. Okay, it still can go, but it is more likely to go downside. So expect it. Okay, and what was your Bitcoin correlation?
If as Udarasa said, yes, of course, there are big chance to, in my perspective, there's a big chance to go for a correction, but there's a rather negative chance to go upward also. It all depends, because I come to this suggestion because we already know that US government is shut down, and there's no cut reports for months, so a lot is going on, and right now the US economy is very unstable, very unstable, guys. Okay, so it can be go down, but remember the AI field. If this goes up, because of the AI field can go, because if there's a good innovations come, it will come. So we have to prepare for that. Every day go to the markets, search for the news, understand the sentiment, then do the reaction. Like that way. So that's my invalidation point. You can see this chart. It can further go up. Okay, but if it comes down, I told you there are two invalidation points. One is in here, from here it can make a support. It can make a support.
Yes.
If it go further down, can make a support at here.
Of course.
Okay. If the S&P 500 go bearish, what I think is, in BTC perspective, because I am in what we call positive correlation. I think that S&P 500 will be a catalyst to Bitcoin drop. Okay. Then I will go to the 4-hour chart. In my daily chart. Wait. So this is my daily chart analysis. What I see right now in the market is very simple. I see a bearish channel. There was a consolidation phase, and now there's a bearish channel. And right now I see the few times it was respected. So I believe that could go down a further correction, and most probably can go to the BTC levels of 94,000 and 85,000.
Of course.
It will be impulsively move because of if there's a correction in the S&P 500. And there's another scenario, because what I come to this question is there's another analysis. It's totally because of this liquidity. So I see that most limit orders are accumulating in this range, 90,000, 80,000. There are a lot of liquidity accumulating. So if there's a big liquidity, buyers will attract to that. So there are a lot of buyers. So, and sellers. So for the big money, billions of people is easily fill their positions. Very easily. Okay, that's my scenario. So what I believe is, but remember there's invalidation point 2. If the market break this channel, upward, then the total finished. Bullish sentiment. Of like course. Every time we have idea, we have validated and invalidated points. Action to reaction.
Action to reactions. There's no certainties in this market, right? You can't expect certainties in an uncertain world. So that is what he said, I think.
So we already discussed with these, but Udas asked that he has another perspective, but that's a good point. But that's what's your idea about the...
Of course, Professor. So actually now I'm going to my chart. So guys, as you can see, if you have watched my previous video in the Mooncoin not podcast, the Mooncoin English channel, I have given you this range that the BTC can drop, right? I think most of you have watched that video. In there I have talked to you guys that we were in here in this point. So I was expecting this. I drew this arrow while explaining that in that video, Professor. So what has happened, right, is, guys, you can see now the BTC has reached to that support level. So now it is exact. It is quite obvious that it has taken that support, and now it is moving towards upside. But the problem is this the bottom? Okay, you guys, you always asking, is this the bottom? Okay, guys, if something good needs to happen for Bitcoin, this should be the bottom. Okay. If this is not the bottom, then the market could even reach to 80,000 level, where the most of the supports are there. You can see, right? Support, resistance, right here. This is a very good support and resistance line, which make it a god line. Okay, so resistance. So you can see the BTC were respecting to this red line that I have drawn since 2021. Okay, since 2021 boost. So it is a very powerful, right? Yeah. So guys, if BTC, okay, the worst case scenario is dropping to 80,000, 79,000 level. Okay, so it is quite unlikely the BTC go from like this. As I said, it is ugly. It is really ugly. Not beautiful. Not beautiful. So I think if it could reach to 80,000 level, which is not, I am believing it. I don't think it will come. I think if it could come, then it will form most likely this kind of head and shoulder, inner head and shoulder pattern, and it will ruin our bull run. It will ruin our dreams. Okay, I don't think so. It is not because I like to see Bitcoin pump, but because it is not historically. If we see the historical chart of BTC, the previous day also, you can see the BTC has done the same things. Sorry for the noise, guys. I will delete some, so you guys can see right here. I think we are kind of here also bull run. There was a bull run in 2016, 2017 bull run. So guys, what has happened here is, you can see the market was kind of giving pullbacks, but always keep fighting, pushing towards upside. Okay, so right now I think we are kind of here. We are missing the pullback part. Parabolic part. Okay, actually I think we are kind of some kind of position like here, so see, there's no any parabolic movement for BTC, right? It is 1 2 1 2 1 2 overlapping correction wave, overlapping and pumping. Okay, so I think right now we have to be very cautiously monitor this market, not to take any actions, because actually we have break down this trend line since 2023, the bottom of this bull run. Okay, you can see support. Okay, okay, until now it was being a support, but right here that trend line is, it is broken right here, and retested as resistance. So it is quite obvious that the market could drop, but actually it is quite unlikely to get the support only from this level. It could even drop to these levels as well, as you said. Okay, but if we want to save BTC, if we want to see the Bitcoin, the bull run continuously, we have to remain the BTC price should remain above this 98,000 level. That is my invalidation point. 98,000 level. If it is 98,000 level broken, then we shouldn't seek 80,000. We can seek any other price level above this trend line. We shouldn't touch this trend line, 79,000. 80,000 is also fine, but not this 79,000. If something go beyond this week down below 74,000, there is no any bull run there. Then the bear market confirmation. If we couldn't hold 74,000 above, then the bear market confirmation. Then the market won't come back. Never ever.
So we also don't like that, no?
We also don't like it.
The bull market. So there's a validation points. So there are two perspectives actually how we do the analysis is the same.
Of course.
Because we think what I do is I think about different types of angles. Seeing another types of angles, and we come to a middle.
Yeah, conclusion. We are coming to a conclusion.
What is the best scenario?
What is the best scenario for ourselves and for our subscribers?
Yes.
Every. So guys, I think you got the point. So Professor, do you have any other thing to explain?
Yes, that's my strategy. Right now, what I see.
So Professor's immediate point is $85,000.
Right now, I see the bearish channel. I told you that if this channel is broken up immediately, so I have no specific price point, but I have is a trend line.
Of course.
If it breaks up, the bearish movement of for myself is closed.
Yeah.
But if this channel is stayed there, I see a most probable area of BTC fall to 94,000 to 85,000 range.
Of course.
And that is a logical. There's a logic behind it, because I show you that what the liquidity charts.
Yeah.
There are a lot of accumulations are there.
And also guys, did I disturb you?
No,
Sorry. Guys, also I have to mention other thing. Please switch into the S&P 500 chart as well. So I think guys, now the markets are really strange and very different when compared to the past few years. Now the things happening so quickly. Okay, things happening so quickly. I will show you something that Professor weekly chart I will go. So right here actually I was expecting some kind of a pullback. Now we have already taken off. See, okay, suddenly happening everything. The markets are behaving so quickly, aggressively compared to previous times. See, previous times not much, what I'm saying, calmness in the market. Sudden drop happened, sudden crash happened, but now it is reacting so quickly. So that is quite weird.
It's because I think there are a lot of innovations are there.
Innovations.
Every day, go to the news, you can see the new AI model, the new chip models, and when there's a positive news, this can go beyond what we never think. We can't actually predict that.
Of course.
There can be another news tomorrow that change everything.
Everything.
That's the word, right? Because now the world is very speed and doing the things
even
very high.
Yeah, even Bitcoin also very scary.
Of course.
If we think in that perspective, the BTC seems like a scary thing, because who knows, Bitcoin will go to zero by the next month, by the end of next month or something.
Actually, it's very scary when he said that.
Yeah, who knows? If something good come out, then the money could flow into that thing.
Very quick.
Because Professor, most of the people have missed Bitcoin. Now people need something like Bitcoin.
If market will able to suggest that,
people will catch it.
Very aggressively. Better, it will be very bullish than 2012 or something.
Of course.
See, more traders are there.
Yeah. See the AI came to the world. I mean, it was developing since our childhood, but recently some options came, quite effective for the people, like video editing things and other things. So it is now in a hype. Okay, so people are very eager to embrace anything come new. Okay, so that is the point. Okay, so we have to be very careful with BTC as well. Yeah. The first AI, ChatGPT was introduced, then the Google stocks were dumped, then ChatGPT introduced. Then see, I was trying to tell about ChatGPT because after the ChatGPT release, right after it released, then Grok and what other Google AI, so many Gemini, every other most of them again pop up, right? So if something like BTC come, Bitcoin, something like BTC come, I think that won't be the last coin that going to be introduced. Then so many that related coins will be come.
Of course, because
Of course.
people are very innovative.
So this will be a mess.
Yeah.
I hope it won't happen
Yeah.
for good.
Oh, good.
If we can be with Bitcoin, that is good.
That's good.
Yeah. Otherwise, again, that kind of thing happen, then the world will be imbalanced.
Very immense.
Very imbalanced, and the economy will be really imbalanced.
The most will suffer.
Suffer,
The most.
suffer, and we will lose so much money. So be careful. I think the world is now. Don't you feel, Professor? The world is, entering into a new era.
Yes. Like that we see in the sci-fi movies.
Yeah, of course, in sci-fi movie.
New.
Everything getting new.
Yeah, we
So the only old thing is the Bitcoin
It's still going up.
and gold. It is also going up. It is because of that limit. The more the population increase, the more it get the value.
Yes, limited supply,
High demand.
high demand.
Okay, guys, I think you got point, and we talked much today.
Yeah.
So half an hour. Okay, guys. So I think you got some valuable points from our podcast video, and we'll meet you again in a new chapter, in a new day like this. So if you have anything to comment, you can comment down below, and you can ask any other updates. Then the Lan and myself will do those videos for you. Okay, then we can wind up the session for today, right?
Of course.
Yeah. Okay, guys. See you. Bye bye.